Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making strawberry coulis. We're going to be bidding goodbye to boring fillings for our cakes and desserts. So let's get on to this. I'm going to get some fresh strawberries, washed and cleaned, and I'm going to be cutting them into chunks. You can do big chunks, you can do smaller chunks, whatever you want. I'll be adding granulated sugar. I'm going to be leaving the measurements of the ingredients in the description box below. So I'm adding fresh lemon juice to this mixture as well, and fresh lemon zest. Guys, fresh lemon, okay? Everything is going to be fresh. This is a very nice combination. Everything is fresh and natural and perfect. It's just a heavenly combination, guys. So I mix everything and I'm going to bring it to a boil on low heat, guys. Very important, emphasis on the low heat. While it's boiling, I'm going to be dissolving corn flour. Guys, I said corn flour, I didn't say wheat flour. Corn flour, corn starch. I'm going to be dissolving it in some water and I'll be adding it into the mixture. This is going to help thicken the paste as we mix it, as we boil it. As we stir the mixture, the corn flour is going to help thicken it. And if you find out that the mixture, the corn flour that you've added is not enough, is not giving you the thickness that you desire, you can go ahead and add some more, but be careful as you add, and add little by little. So I go on to stir this mixture on low heat. Emphasis on the low heat, guys. Strawberry is expensive, so if you burn this mixture, your money is gone. So we keep stirring it until it thickens to the right consistency that we need. If you're still watching at this minute, it means you're enjoying what you're seeing and you're loving this recipe. I hope you try it out and give me a feedback on what you got. Did you get a good result as mine? I'm willing and I'm ready and looking forward to hearing from you. Also tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. And if you're yet to subscribe, please do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification icon as well, so you get notified every time I post new videos. So guys, as I keep turning, you would notice that the paste has gotten thick, and at this point I'm okay with the consistency. So I'm going to turn down the heat, put the pot down, let it cool a little bit before I transfer it into a good food grade container that I will use to store it in the refrigerator. Guys, look at this. Hey, this is lush. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Look at this. Like, when you use this on your cakes, it is gonna be a game changer. You should try this, guys. Try this and give me a feedback on your results. Listen, this is going to be the secret ingredient that I've been looking for. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, still let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me hear your comments on what you want me to make a video on next, and I will be willing to do that for you guys. So until I come your way next time, keep making beautiful cakes and delicious ones at that. Keep bringing those customers coming back asking for more. That's why we are here. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching again. I love you all. Bye.